Daylilies, hemerocallis, are popular and easy-to-grow perennial flowers known for their vibrant colors and ability to thrive in a variety of growing conditions. Here's a guide on how to plant, grow, planting. Choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Daylilies can tolerate a range of soil types, but prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil. Plant daylilies in the spring or fall, giving them time to establish before extreme temperatures. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball. Space plants about 1 to 3 feet apart, depending on the variety. Soil preparation. Blend the soil with compost or well-rotted manure before planting to improve drainage and fertility. Ensure good drainage to prevent waterlogged roots, which can lead to rot. Watering. Water newly planted daylilies regularly to help establish their root systems. Once established, daylilies are fairly drought-tolerant, but they'll perform best with consistent moisture, especially during blooming periods. Mulching. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plants to conserve moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. Fertilizing. Daylilies are not heavy feeders, but will benefit from a balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in early spring as new growth emerges. Avoid excessive nitrogen, as it can lead to more foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Deadheading. Remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and maintain the plant's appearance. Deadheading also prevents seed production, which can divert energy from flower production. Division. Over time, daylilies can become overcrowded, leading to reduced blooming. Divide the plants every 3 to 5 years in the early spring or late summer. Dig up the clump, separate the individual plants, and replant the divisions. Pest and disease control. Daylilies are generally resilient to pests and diseases, but occasionally they can be affected by aphids, thrips, or spider mites. Inspect the plants regularly and treat any infestations promptly with insecticidal soap or neem oil. Winter care. Daylilies are hardy perennials that don't require special winter care in most regions. However, applying a layer of mulch can help protect the roots during harsh winters. Varieties and hybridizing. Daylilies come in a wide range of colors and sizes, so you can choose varieties that suit your landscape design. Some gardeners enjoy hybridizing daylilies to create unique cultivars. This involves cross-pollinating flowers and collecting seeds for experimentation. Overall maintenance. Daylilies are low-maintenance plants, making them ideal for beginner gardeners. Regularly remove dead foliage and spent flowers to keep the plants tidy and encourage new growth. Remember that daylilies are adaptable and forgiving plants, making them a wonderful addition to gardens and landscapes. Observing your plants and adjusting care practices based on their specific needs will help ensure their health and beauty.